Kubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Unang yalam kaliang persya ka Kongres uba roni vi lindo. Ulang bakaseng ka sa Ïakren bat ka Sorkar Pdeng, haringkat ka Sorkar Jilla bat ka Sorkar Assam, nakabenta ka Ïada bat ka Shong Shong jong ginong Shong, Kiba Shong basa akitan Khappud jong ka Jilla Meghalaya bat ka Mujuru jong ka Jilla Assam. Habakren bikilar patay kubor mentagasi ka hinyaw tri unailar arajar arpulai. Uba roni ula pentip baka don kam bandan ya kalinti. Banwengi ki Jing apreng ki artli ki Jilla kata ka Assam bat Meghalaya. Uba roni ula ongru bakalenti ka badai kadai ban Shong bat ban Ïakren da ka Jing hunan sim ban penti kena bagi nong Shong ki ba Shong Khappud jong artli ki Jilla kin Shong san.
I think that is being taken up now seriously, and I think we will also take it up with the government, both at center and with the Assam government and with the Meghalaya government, to ensure that people living in the borders are safe, secure. They should not be fearful of their life and property. I think confrontation is not going to solve the problem. I think we need to have an amicable solution between the state of Assam and the state of Meghalaya. I think confrontation is not going to solve the problem. I think we have to have a dialogue, amicable solution to all this problem, because you confront, they will also confront. So in the process, the people will suffer. So I think the best solution is sit across the table, talk it out, and then in a spirit of give and take, in that cordial atmosphere, and then ensure that people living there are safe on both sides of the border. These are sporadic incidents. I think the Mahadevkola should not be painted as something of a religious nature or communal. Some elements, anti-social elements, went there and created that confrontation with, I believe, a Shopona. So I think this should not, be construed as a religious issue or a communal issue.
It's getting a negative impact on all aspects of both governance, and then education, smart city administration, and also being termed as a poorest state, second poorest state.
Yeah,
So,
and I think this should serve as a wake-up call to all the policymakers. I've stated earlier, you see, when we face such problems, it's not the duty only of the government or the party in power. It's the duty of all the elected MPs. You see, we should come up with comprehensive policies and programs, how to uplift everything, be it the social sector, be it the economic, be it political, social, everything. So we should come up with right policies, right programs to ameliorate the suffering that the people are living. And it's a fact. I come from a constituency where there is much poverty. That I have to admit. We cannot deny. So, but then blaming one another is not going to solve the problem. All 60 of us have to put our heads together, be it the ruling side or the opposition side, come up with proper policies and programs to uplift